I'm Dr. Raju Srinivas, specialized endodontist, implantologist and a cosmetic dentist. I practice in Jayanagar and Wilson Garden. Commercially available or over-the-counter available night guards are totally different from the ones which are custom made of fabricated by dentists. In a dental office, we take an impression, that is first the impression is a negative impression. Then we make it into a positive impression by pouring a material like Plaster of Paris or a dental stone and get the positive cast. And over the positive cast, we layer it with a dual layer of a soft and a hard material, and over that the layer is pressed onto this cast, and you get a snug perfect fit it can be done for the upper or the lower cast, upper jaw or lower jaw, and it will be delivered to the patient. It will be tried on the patient and delivered. It will be a very customized fit.